Hello guys, welcome back to MyGo Minds. So in this video, you will know how to write a program using Python language in order to identify if a given number is an even number or a odd number. So before that, what exactly an even number means? So any number which is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, then it is called as an even number. So what is an odd number? It is quite opposite, which is not divisible by 2 is an odd number. Okay, so let me give a task. So these are the operators. If you don't know what exactly the operators in Python mean, so there is a video which we have made on operators. Please do go back and watch the video. So these are the operators. So try to identify an operator in order to which finds if a given number like even or odd, which gives a remainder. So if it is plus, minus, into, or modulus. So what it is modulus. So if you don't know what exactly modulus do, please watch our operators video. Modulus is nothing but it when two digits are divided, it gives the remainder value. So these are the numbers. So try to spot even numbers between the given numbers. So those are nothing but 2, 4, 8 because these are divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, right? So likewise, so what are the odd numbers which are not divisible? So 9, 7, 1 and 3 are the odd numbers because these are not divisible by 2 and the remainder is not 0. Okay, so let us write a program which identifies if a number is an even number or an odd number. So let me take a variable name, number is equal to int, which is nothing but the number like integer type. So input, which takes the user entered value. So enter any number and we have to use the condition statement if number modulus 2 double equal to 0. So double equal to is used to find out if the both left side and right hand side are same, then it gives true. So if it is true, I wanted to print the number is even. Else, that's it, either even or odd. So else print the number is odd. So let me run this program. So it is, sorry, this is number, right? Okay, so let me run the program. So given any value, so let me take as 20 and enter. So it is an even number because 2 tens are 20 and the remainder is 0. So again run again. So let me give 15 and enter. So it is odd because 15 is not divisible by 2 because it gives the remainder 1 because 2 sevens are 14 and the remainder is 1. So which is not double equals to 0, right? So this is how you need to write a Python program in order to identify if a given number is an even number or an odd number. So that's it guys. So for more such program based videos on Python, please subscribe to our channel, and also we do have our Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. So please don't forget to follow us, and also please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share it with your friends. Thank you so much.